Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can exchange Pandabuy points. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So as you can see guys, I'm right now in pandabuy.com. So the first thing that you need to do guys in order to see how many points you have is by going to the top right corner, click on your profile, and then once you click on your profile, we're gonna find this list. In this list, you're going to find the user center, order, warehouse, parcel, wallet, and lastly, logout. Make sure that you're signed into your account and then click on user center. Once you click on user center, you're going to be right here. So here you're going to find your balance. Under it, you can either top up or withdraw. Right here, you're going to find Pandabuy points, coupons, and lastly, growth value. So in order to go to the section of the Pandabuy points, just go right here to this list in the left and then search for my points. Go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, guys, this is the points that I have. So basically I have 0 points. And under it, you're going to find the points redemption this month, 0 out of 500,000. So basically, guys, the maximum amount that you could refund each month is 500,000. Lastly, right here, you're gonna find the Pandabuy points redeem. So if you have any points, you can redeem them from there by clicking on this button. And right here, you can enter the redeem code. And after that, click on redeem now. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.